Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ryobi ONE 18-volt lithium batteries. These batteries are very good in holding power for a long time. They have a power indicator on them, so you can press the button and know where what charge you're at, if you're fully charged or half charged or need to charge. The charger has indicators on it as well to let you know what stage of the charging process is at. You can see the light there on the charger as I put it in. These batteries work with a wide range of Ryobi tools, and it gives you a lot of power, a lot of runtime, so they are great, and I highly recommend you get them. I hope this review helps.